Well, hello, welcome to Drawing with Fire. I'm Valarie, your neighborhood pyrography artist, and this is day 5, Elegant, for the World Pyrography Month, and I chose a swan. Now, I think several people chose a swan, and that's just the first thing we think of animal-wise for elegant, because they are just so graceful and beautiful, and how they move. I have to say, the way they sound isn't necessarily elegant with their honking, but hey, did I just confuse geese with swans? It's very possible I did. So anyway, with having so much light with this one, I had to make sure that I had my temperature on low. I go back and forth between the spear shaders and the ball tips, trying to get everything balanced and smooth but still have the texture of the feathers. And because I'm bringing the monsoon cloud behind the swan and the penguin, that area will be darker, and in doing so, with the darker area around the negative burning around the swan, the lights will look even lighter. I do think I'm going to go back and hit a couple of the high highlights with some white colored pencil, but I'll figure that out after we're all done with all this burning that I am still behind on. Everybody else is doing awesome and keeping up, but for me, nope. I have to pick hard things to do that are time consuming with a lot of fur and feathers, and yeah, that's just taking a lot more time than I expected, but for me that is completely normal. Right here, I'm doing a lot of burning on top of the penguin. Even though it's done, I'm doing that in order to push the swan forward. This allows the separation because on the penguin, that is a lighter area, but I also have them overlapping. So this little bit of shading on the penguin helps to make it look like the swan is actually in front of him. So that's why I will, throughout the video, I will go back and forth darkening up that area. I don't make it too dark because I don't feel it needs it, but it does need some shading. And again, I'm darkening it up just a little bit, and as I do that, you'll see more of the white where the sun was hitting the swan starts to pop out a little bit better. Now, I'm going to pop some things in the video, and I hope you enjoy it. We're going to switch over to the music and let the rest of the video play out. I am trying to be a little more creative with the videos, so please make sure you let me know down in the comments what you think, and happy burning. Bye!